All right, before we wrap all this up, I want to speak directly to three groups of athletes right now because all three groups are dealing with pressure in very different ways. First, to the class of 2026, the seniors. If you feel behind right now, if your dream school never called, if you thought this process would look different, I need you to understand something. You are not out of options. There are still opportunities available, but right now, you need urgency, honesty, and action. This is not the time to emotionally shut down. This is not the time to stop communicating with coaches. And this is definitely not the time to compare yourself to other athletes on social media. Stay focused on your journey because every single year I see seniors panic in April and May and in June, and then they still find great opportunities later because they stayed proactive. But you need to move, expand your list, send the follow-ups, update that film, reach out to programs, and most importantly, stop focusing on the one school that didn't call and start focusing on the schools that still might. All right, now to the transfers. The transfer portal is emotional and unpredictable. One minute you think there's strong interest, the next minute a coach takes another player. That's the reality of college athletics right now. But your value as an athlete has not disappeared because one situation didn't work. Sometimes a transfer becomes the best reset of an athlete's entire career. A new coach, a new environment, a new system, and a fresh start. And honestly, some athletes grow more after adversity than they ever would have if things worked out easily the first time around. Stay professional and organized, communicate clearly, and keep moving forward because timing matters in the portal, but mindset matters too. And finally, to rising seniors in the class of 2027, hear me out. Don't wait until next year to get serious about recruiting. Don't assume college coaches will magically find you. Start building your plan now, like today. Build your school list, start communicating right now, create that highlight film, research schools honestly, and understand where you realistically fit. Because one of the biggest mistakes families make is waiting too long, and then they try to rush the process emotionally during senior year. Honestly, that pressure usually creates poor decisions. And for all three groups, I want you to remember this. Sometimes things happen in recruiting for a reason you cannot fully understand in the moment. Sometimes a closed door redirects you towards the place you are actually meant to be. I know that sounds difficult when you're disappointed, but I've watched this happen for 31 years. I've seen athletes devastated when one school passes on them, only later to realize that another school gave them a better opportunity, better relationships, better development, confidence, and a far better college experience overall. And if you're hurting right now, if you feel behind, if you feel overlooked, don't let this moment define you. Reset, refocus, and keep moving forward. And honestly, that's the biggest message I want families to take away from this entire video. There is always a path forward, always. It may not look exactly like the path you imagined when all this started. It may not be the big school you pictured. It may not be the division level you talked about 2 years ago. But it doesn't mean your journey failed. Sometimes recruiting redirects you towards the place that actually is best for you. Again, a place where you can go and play. You can grow. You can develop confidence, build relationships, succeed academically, and where you can truly enjoy your college experience. Because at the end of the day, recruiting is not about winning social media. It's about building a future. And after all these years in college athletics, I can tell you this honestly. Some of the happiest former student athletes I know are not the athletes who chase the biggest school. They're the athletes who found the right fit. So if your dream school didn't call, if you feel disappointed, if you feel behind right now, don't stop moving forward. This moment does not define your future. It's simply part of your story. And sometimes the setbacks that hurt the most in the moment become the exact thing that redirects us towards better opportunities later. So keep working and communicating. Never stop developing and always believe in yourself, because there are still opportunities out there for athletes and families who stay proactive and stay focused. And if you need help understanding how this entire recruiting process really works, that's exactly why I created the college recruiting on-ramp system. The on-ramp system was built to help families understand the recruiting process, build realistic school lists, learn how to communicate with coaches, understand levels, navigate visits and conversations, and create a real recruiting strategy instead of simply guessing their way through the process. I always called it its orientation for families. I'll put the link in the description below, and make sure you download the free recruiting Jumpstart pack if you already haven't done so. And again, if this video has helped you, please subscribe to the channel, because every week I break down college athletic recruiting from the perspective of a current NCAA director of athletics and head coach. And remember, I am not a recruiting service. I'm an educational organization that guides families through the college athletic recruiting process. Take care.